In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Stripe to Emergent AI. So you want to open up Emergent AI and then find the application which you want to integrate Stripe payments for, and just give it the prompt connect Stripe. Now it's going to ask us if we want to accept donations or unlock access to premium features. So I will just do 1 donations, and after we send this prompt, then if you have not previously connected Stripe, then it's going to ask for your secret key. So you will need to provide your Stripe secret key. Now it's going to look a little something like this. So it's going to be a name and then a random alphanumeric string, just like that. So it should look like this. You can get it from your Stripe dashboard. Now we will be integrating the Stripe donations here, so let's just see what it manages to come up with and what it's going to ask us for. So it's probably going to integrate a donation button at the bottom of our app. So I'm gonna pause and come back. Alright, so that took about 5 minutes, but now we have a donation button and we have integrated Stripe. So here you can open the preview, and if you click on support me, you can click on that and it's going to take you to a Stripe donation page. So now what you have to do is you type, let me add my Stripe keys, just like that. And like I said, you can get your keys from your Stripe dashboard. And after you provide 2 keys to Emergent AI, then you will be able to connect or successfully use your Stripe donations or sales on your Emergent AI app. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.